So yeah, the pod's burnt. Even though there's a decent bit of juice in it, I still gonna throw it out. Even though it has all this juice in it. So which means I'm gonna have to get a new bottle. Probably after I fill this new pod up a few times. Well, refill it after I fill the new pod. So hey guys, I gotta get a new pod out and my juice. Yep, pretty much got it filled perfectly on the first freaking try. Wait, or maybe I'll fit a little more in it. Yep, pretty much perfectly full. Now let it sit for 5 minutes. They say 10 to 15, but 5 minutes is good enough. So yeah. Guys, I'm gonna take a hit of it, see how it is. Yep, it's perfectly fine, because it's a brand new pod. I hope you guys understand, so please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload YouTube videos, upload YouTube shorts, and when I go live on YouTube. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post in the community tab. That's the reason why I don't use the community tab. Or I rarely use it. So, bye guys, peace, I'm out.